just want to say, shh, it's my first time. Hey guys, so I got this I got the tree sap removal on this 2500. So we got tree sap that needs to be removed. So we'll do that with a correction. So we have this here, all the tree sap. I mean, it's pretty rough. This gentleman bought it from someone that's been parked underneath a tree for a couple months. And it's bad up here too. So he mentioned something about that's all these door jams. We'll get that taken care of. You have a wax in here. I'm actually going to pour it out into a different bottle because it's I'm going to be doing a decon, which is decontamination, because of the tree sap. So I'm gonna be. I don't, and I'm gonna have to polish the top, and then I don't want any wax or anything that's on there. I want to strip everything that's on the car. He took it to the car wash, which I'm assuming they put a little wax type situation. So, I'm actually gonna do the interior. We gotta. So I'm gonna do a pre-wash. Use the APC. So the APC I have for now is actually gonna be the Green Star from KC. So I just need a pre-wash for the rims and everything else, kind of eat up everything, which is basically an all-purpose cleaner. You don't need too much, you just need a little bit. So just to break everything off. Obviously put some water up. I actually dry it off. I'll wash, do a little contact to it, rinse off, dry it off, and then do the tree sap removal. And then from there we'll go wash it again with a good contact wash, and then do the get the wheels nice and done, and so we're gonna actually now we're about to dry it off, so we can put now we're drying it off, so we can put the tar and sap removal on, kind of get it off. So. So yeah, we got majority of it off. So So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and wash the truck. We're gonna wash the whole thing, and we're gonna clay. We're gonna wash, rinse, and then spray again, clay, and then dry off, and then do the tree the tree sap removal on some of the tree sap. There is tree sap here. This is for sure tree sap. You may not see it, but you get the point right there. So there's some tree sap around the truck. I'm gonna go try to see if I can treat that now. And go from there. Stay tuned. What we got looking at so far, this is before the polishing. I'm gonna polish the hood and the roof, the roof. So, and then I need to get all this good stuff. There, 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 up there. All over. All over. Yeah, hold on. Let me get the windows. Do I leave watermarks? We don't like the watermarks. So I've been having little issues with it, with the spray and stuff. And I was trying to do a benefit of the doubt. So obviously it wasn't working as I needed to. So what I did is gasoline. I poured gasoline on the rack, and it will help you get some of these stuff off. So you know, we got it here. So you see how it's coming off. So, and I'm not doing it hard. I'm just literally being soft with it. So, you know, you got that right there. Let me see. Yeah, got that right there. I need to get more gasoline. I've been using it for a little bit, but I'm not really going hard at it. I'm just rubbing it back and forth. Let me flip it over. So, yeah, it's coming. Then I need to get more gasoline. Okay, you see here, got that tree set. Just go ahead, leave that right there. It's coming on. You can feel it. I mean, you can feel it kind of, oops. You can feel it kind of go. So, I mean, we won't get that as well. But that'll come off with the polisher. But this is not gonna get, the gasoline is not gonna get all the grime. You're gonna have to clay that off or polish it off. So it's just one of those things. Ay. Wait a little hard for me to see. So that's that. So I'm actually using nipple door on this. All right, let me turn it a little bit. So I'm actually using nipple door. For the wheels, I spray with a little water lubricant, just kind of make it loopy for me. And so I'm out nearby a highway, so you're gonna hear a lot of background noise. I don't have a mic for noise cancellation just yet. I haven't bought one. I'm still new to this stuff, but if y'all have any questions or want me to tackle something or go over something, just let me know in the comments, or you can actually send me an email at william@starkopulentautodetail.com, or you can find me on social media, ask me questions there. So yeah, we just got done with it. It's 2,500 with the 3-step removal. It just, all right, that's where we got the finish. Yeah, it's taken me a good while. Oh, here we took care of the roof. Yeah, you could just feel it. It's just so nice and clean. Oh, that tree sap removal. Yeah.